Okay. Instant replay brought to you by Santa Ana Park. Action.
Patok.
Gold Ruler. Prince Carlo is racing in third by Darrell Spearless. Gold Ruler takes the lead by Sam 4, followed by Confirmado. Prince Carlo is racing in third by half a length, running in fourth Spearless by another 2 lengths. Passing the 900, Gold Ruler by Sam 2, followed by Confirmado. And Prince Carlo is racing in third by half a length. Spearless is racing in fourth by Sam 4 lengths. Inside the last 600, Gold Ruler by 2, followed now by Prince Carlo. Confirmado is racing in third by Darrell and Fearless, but it's still Gold Ruler still leading by 2 lengths, followed by Prince Carlo. Confirmado remains in third, Fearless still running at the tail of the field, passing the 400 and going to the last corner with Gold Ruler back to 4 lengths lead, followed once again by Confirmado by Darrell, and on the outside is Prince Carlo Fearless. And nearing the last 350, it's still Gold Ruler increasing its marker to about 5 lengths. And nearing the finish line, it's still Gold Ruler. And nearing the finish line, it's indeed a light workout for this horse, Gold Ruler. And finally, Gold Ruler. Second, Confirmado, Prince Carlo, and Fearless.